If you're looking to enhance blurry or unclear videos, HitPaw VikPea Video Enhancer is definitely one of the best tools out there. Whether you're restoring old family footage or improving low-quality clips, this AI-powered software makes the process fast and beginner-friendly. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide on how to use HitPaw VikPea to bring your videos back to life. Step 1. Download and install. Go to the official website page of HitPaw VikPea, or click on the download button below to download the official package of HitPaw VikPea. Step 2. Import video. After installing the software, now you need to import the video you want to AI upscale to the software. You can click the Choose file or just drag and drop the original video to it. Step 3. Choose AI Video Enhancer model. There are multiple AI models for you in this video quality enhancer: face model and video quality repair model. In this case, we will use face model. Once uploaded the video, click the preview button to process the video. You may need to wait for a few seconds for this. Then, click Export button to save the enhanced video once you are satisfied with it. That's all for today's tutorial, so if it's helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.